Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Ghee Jot. First, gather your materials: a small amount of clean cotton, pure Desi ghee, and a small wick holder. The quality of your ingredients directly impacts the jot's performance. Using pure ghee ensures a steady, bright flame, while clean cotton helps the wick burn efficiently. This simple preparation sets the stage for a beautiful, traditional lamp. Now let's prepare the cotton wick. Take a small piece of clean cotton, roughly 2 inches in length, and gently flatten it. Next, roll the cotton tightly between your palms, creating a thin, cylindrical shape. It's important to ensure the wick is uniform in thickness from end to end. This careful rolling helps the wick absorb the ghee evenly, promoting a consistent and beautiful flame for your traditional lamp. With your wick ready, it's time to shape the ghee jot. Dip one end of your carefully rolled cotton wick into the pure Desi ghee. Allow it to soak up a good amount, about 1/2 inch. Then, gently press and shape the ghee-soaked end into a conical or pointed form. This pointed tip is crucial for easy ignition and helps maintain a stable, beautiful flame, ensuring your lamp burns brightly and steadily. For the final touches, carefully place your shaped ghee jot into a small lamp or dia holder. Make sure the pointed tip of the jot extends slightly above the rim of the holder, about 1/4 of an inch. This positioning allows for optimal airflow and a clean burn. Now, gently light the tip and enjoy the warm, traditional glow of your homemade Desi Ghee Jot. It's a simple, beautiful way to bring light and serenity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.